Yes, my lord. This is with regard to the reservation for the women in the selection of junior teacher schematic. Because it's a voluminous document, I have always stated, I have given the document. Para 11 of the
Selection
repetition is the ground.
Mr. The selection process has already been
No,
completed.
unless only the selection process is completed, we could not have come to this court. Only after that we came to know, and this is the what happened, my lord. The women reservation has been exceeded by 33%. That is against the Rajesh Daria's case. Because what they have done, I have given only one example because this is quite voluminous document. Para 11 I have
There is no
summarized.
meaning, there is no meaning in seeing your example.
No, I have given the annex 8. Only one document I have given in respect of one is district that I have stated because थोड़ा document देखिए आप तो para 11 ले जहाँ लिखी थी सीधा
You are not taking up any matter to a logical end.
Now that I have now, some people have agreed. The first batch of person they didn't agree. ତାଙ୍କର ଆସିଗଲେ ସେ ତ ମୋଡିଫିକେସନ ହେଇକି ଗୋଟେ ଅର୍ଡର କରିନେବେ
କଣଟା modification ହେଲା?
ସେ କିଛି 6000 ପୋଷ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କୁ କନସିଡର କରିବେ
କରିଦେବେ।
they have gone
କରିଦେବେ।
ସେ କିଛି କରିବେନି I know it
How?
but ପର କେସ ଗୋଟେ ଏବେ ଯୋଉଟା ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ ହେଲା ତାକୁ ବେଶ କରି that I have sent
Whether that direction I could not have issued.
ସମସ୍ତେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ କରିବା ଏଇ ଲୋକ ନହେଲେ ଆମେ ବି ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିକ୍ୟାପ ତ କେତେ ଥର ମାନେ ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ବେଚ ତ ପଠେଇ ସେଟା ନୋଟିସ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ପଛରେ ଗୋଟେ ରିଟ୍ ଅପିଲ ଥିଲା ତାକୁ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ କରିକି ସେଇ ଲାଇଟ ରେ ଗଲୁ
As a council, if you feel that an order in passed in a wrong way,
ମୁଁ ତ ଭାଷାରେ ଗାଳି ଦେଇଛି ଆପଣ ତ ସେ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ପଛରେ ଯୋଉ ଭାଷା ମୋର ମୋ ଜୀବନରେ ସେ ଭାଷା ନର୍ମାଲି କଥା ହୁଏନି ବଟ୍ ସେ ଡୁ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ କଣ କରାଯିବ ଏଇଟା ଇଡିୟଟ ଗୋଟେ
I have lost interest in this
yes
thematic
definitely
matter appointment.
ମୁଁ ତାପରେ ଅନ୍ୟ ଭାଇ ମାନେ ଆମର ସବୁ ସେ ଦି ସାଇଡ୍ ରୁ କେସ୍ କଲେ ଦି ପଟରୁ କେସ୍ କଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଟୋଟାଲ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କଲି ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ବୋଲି ଏଇଟାକୁ ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ କଲି what happened here in this matter the women reservation has been exceeded to 33%. They have kept 33% for women.
Whether that can be raised now after the
Yes, only that on the cause of action only after the selection.
When that select list, final select list was published, you could have known that
no, only after the appointment only you can because what happened now they have published the list
from the select list you could not know that.
No, you could not know because
How?
appointment district wise ହେଲା ନା appointment ପରେ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଲୁ select list ତ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ବାହାରି ଗଲା 15000 ପିଲାଙ୍କର ସେଠି ଆପଣ ଜାଣିପାରିବେନି କୋଉଠି କିଏ ଗଲା ଯଦି ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର
district wise select list ବାହାର
ନା ନା ସେମାନେ ଏଇଠି select list ଟା ଗୋଟିଏ ପବ୍ଲିଶ କଲେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ରେ
no
Yes.
subsequently the public
ନା ତାପରେ ସେ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ କୁ ପଠେଇଲା ପରେ ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ବାଲା ତାକୁ ପବ୍ଲିଶ କଲେନି ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ଆପଏଣ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ପରେ we collect the list ସେଇଠୁ ଜାଣିଲୁ ଯେ women reservation exceed କରିଗଲା
all sorts of illegalities are committed in that recruitment process.
total mess now
But nobody challenged that.
ମୁଁ ତ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ କରି ସେମାନେ କାଲି ବି ବାହାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି 7000 male candidates though secured higher mark they could have been adjusted even if exceeding to that division bench order but now they have kept first 33% women in one list thereafter they have given another 33% women in the list so that entire male candidates have been eliminated that is why left out it is after the district wise so the Malkansgiri छोटो district तार example
After the division bench order, whether I can take up this issue?
no division bench has nothing to do this type of cases division bench has said you prepare the list select the person in the district
No. Division bench accepted the select list that was published subsequently district wise.
no I mean district wise list I mean agree no I mean agree only reservation ଆମର only district wise list ରେ the reservation they have given now exceeding 33% that is accept
We move the authority past, let them take a decision.
no authorities have passed that order what shall you do
Where is that order?
the authorities have given the appointment
No.
that is why we are appointing because Rajesh Daria's husband
That-
my lord knows
That the grievance that you are raising now, you raise it before the authority, let the authority take a decision first. Unless by issuing notice, you will not get any relief.
because
You raise all these points before the authority, let them take a decision. So that matter can be solved. Within a
And
short
if it
time,
is-
if I issue notice, they'll file a counter. It will take another 5 years. By that time, everybody will lose interest, including you. So you know the
kindly take note of my submission and pass an order so that we will go there
no. I will simply indicate that the reservation policy has not been followed. It is open for the petitioners to make an approved application before the competent authority.
first thereafter yes ଟିକେ ଜଜମେଣ୍ଟ ରାଜେଶ ଦେରାଟା ଟିକେ ରେଫର କରିବ ନହେଲେ ମୋ ପ୍ରେୟାର ଟା ଟିକେ କୋଟ କରିଦଉନ
council. So Purata court for those
ଆଜ୍ଞା
council appealing for the petitioners
petitioners
contended that while providing appointment pursuant to the selection process initiative basing on annexure 1 and 2 reservation made for women candidate has not been followed, and excess number of women candidates have been appointed, which runs contrary to the decision of the Honorable Appeals Court in the case of Rajesh Kumar Daria versus Rajasthan Police Service Commission and others. Year 2007 Supreme Court 3127, and another decision reported in 2007 Volume 8 SCC 785. Well, an additional government advocate on the other hand contended that if the petitioners are aggrieved by the action of the opposite parties in not following the resolution principle meant for women candidates, let them make an approved application ventilating the difference. If for opposite party number
Man said 2, the
Two.
O paper.
OP2, well, having heard commission made and the dispute involved, the court, while disposing of petition, grants liberty to the petitioners to make a joint application before OP2. Ventilate the grievance as has been raised in the present petition. Please observe further. 3 months, 3 months.
ये टाइम टा 2 मास कर दियो 3 मास
କରିପାରିବେ।
सी को खालतल करिवे रिजेक्ट तो करिवे तो तापर हम कह देना देरी हे जोटी लोक पाइलन चाकरी ना 2 मास को
2 weeks the representation दियନ୍ତୁ।
हां मु 7 दिन से दे दे आज
2 months कर देबै।
आगे ओब्लाइज
39
मैं प्लीज ऑनर्स